All right, next let's bring back some resources that we might have used last year or last semester, some other time, into our current courses. So first thing is you're going to go find your past courses. So I'm going to go to courses and see all, and then I'm going to go to archive, and you should see your courses listed here. So for instance, this is a summer school course that I taught on Schoology. I can go grab that course and any of the materials that I've used. And so this is the course, lots of folders, handouts, folders inside. You know, kids have to follow through this course on their own. But let's say that I go into Unit 1. It's got a lot of folders in here, but maybe I want to use some assignments for Unit 1. I'm going to go click on the gear shift here on the right for Unit 1, and I'm going to go to Save to Resources. And then it asks me where in my resources do I want it to put. Do I want it in my home resources? Do I want to go into a group resource? So maybe I might be working with a team. And do I want to put it into a folder? Now it doesn't let me create a folder here. I will have had to already created the folder to copy it in there. And then those are all the resources that are ready to go in there. So I do save copy. Now this is not like Google where everything is all linked together. When I copy it to resources, it is now separated from this bit here. So I go into resources and personal. And there's my Unit 1, Logos and Illustrator. And if I want to use this now with a class, I can take that gear shift to the right again, out of my resources, and then go to Add to Course. And I'll find a current course. So this is a demo course that I have. Again, it's going to ask me to put it into a folder or no folder. And I click on Add, and it's copied there. Now, again, not like Google. It is not a live connected copy. It's like the warehouse in the front of the store. When you bring something out of the warehouse to the front of the store, it's not, you know, there's copies back in the warehouse, but it's a different copy that's out in front of the store. All right, so I'm going to go to Courses, where I just copied that in. And there's my folder sitting there, ready to go. Now, I might need to go into these assignments, make sure that I have a proper due date, proper category, and everything else assigned to it, but I don't have to make that whole assignment there. And in this case, you can see that's a lot of text and a lot of links, a lot of pictures and video links there that go along with this assignment for me. So I'm really happy to not have to recopy and paste that or copy them over again. All I have to do is give them a category and get them set up and ready to go within the class. Okay. Big thing to remember though, not like Google, it is not connected. If I change in the resources, it will not change it out here in my class. If I change it in my class, it will not change it in resources. So I do have to think about where I'm and how I'm managing copies of these things that I've created. I hope that helps.